Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Listening Hub, the podcast where English becomes simple and enjoyable. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. It's wonderful to be here with you and our amazing listeners. How are you feeling today?
I'm great, thanks. I had a relaxing morning. How about you, Sophie?
I'm wonderful, thank you. My morning was peaceful too. Perfect for learning. You know, Alex, since we're talking about mornings, that's already in the past. And that's exactly our topic today.
The past. I love it. Talking about things that happened before now. Yesterday, last month, even earlier today.
Exactly. But before we jump into yesterday, a quick note to our lovely listeners. If you're enjoying this episode, please hit like, subscribe to Chat and Learn English, and share it with a friend. It truly helps us grow.
Thank you all so much for your support. Okay, Sophie, ready to travel back in time?
Absolutely. So when we talk about finished actions or states, we use special past tense words. Let's start simple. The verb to be.
Right now, I am Alex. But yesterday?
Yesterday, you were Alex. Am and is become was. So today, I am busy. Yesterday, I was busy.
Got it. Today the coffee is hot. Yesterday the coffee was cold. Perfect. What about locations? Where were you last night?
Last night, I was at the library. And you?
I was at the gym. So I am at the gym now becomes I was at the gym. Past. Simple switch.
Exactly. Now, what about are? You are here today. What about yesterday?
Are changes to were. So you were here yesterday too.
Yes! A-R-E becomes W-E-R-E. We are happy today. We were happy yesterday. You've got the pattern. Let's practice. Sophie, where were you last Sunday? Last Sunday, I was at the beach. It was sunny and many people were swimming.
Beautiful. And I was at home. I cooked dinner. Wait, cook is an action verb. How do we make that past tense?
Great question. For many verbs, we just add ed. So walk to walked, talk to talked, cook to cooked.
So today I cook pasta. Yesterday I cooked pasta. Easy. What about watch?
I watched TV tonight. I watched a documentary last night. And yes, I laughed a lot. Laugh becomes laughed.
I see the pattern. Play to played, clean to cleaned, listen to listened. Let me try a mini story. Yesterday, I walked to the cafe. I listened to music. I ordered a latte. I waited for my friend. Perfect! All those ed verbs sound natural.
Now, Alex, what did you do last evening?
Last evening, I called my sister. We talked for an hour. Then I cleaned my apartment and watched a series.
Nice! You're using regular past verbs like a pro. But there's a twist.
Oh, a challenge? I'm ready.
Some verbs are irregular. They don't use ed. They change completely. For example, go.
Today I go to work. Past tense isn't goed, right? That sounds odd.
Right. The past of go is went. W-E-N-T. Yesterday, I went to work.
Got it. Where did you go last vacation, Sophie?
Last summer, I went to the mountains. I went hiking and I saw amazing views.
See is irregular too, isn't it?
Yes, see becomes saw. Today, I see a bird. Yesterday, I saw a rainbow.
What about eat? Today I eat salad. Past tense?
Ate. A-T-E. Yesterday, I ate sushi. And drink becomes drank. I drank tea this morning.
So go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, drink, drank. It's like a word puzzle. What about have?
Have becomes had. Today, I have a meeting. Yesterday, I had a great idea.
And take. I take the bus. I took the bus yesterday. Yes, take, took.
You're mastering these. Let's build a bigger story together. Try this. Last weekend, I went to the city. I saw a friend. We ate lunch. We walked in the park. I took photos. I bought a souvenir.
Wow, that mixes regular, walked, and irregular. Went, saw, ate, took, bought. It sounds like real conversation.
Exactly. That's how we speak naturally. Now, your turn, Alex. Tell us about your last holiday.
Okay. Last spring, I went to the coast with my cousin. We stayed in a small apartment. The weather was perfect. Every morning, we walked on the beach. We saw dolphins. In the afternoons, we visited local markets. I bought fresh fruit. We ate seafood for dinner. In the evenings, we read books and listened to the ocean. We had an unforgettable time.
That was beautiful, Alex. You used was, walked, saw, bought, ate, read, listened, had. A perfect mix. And about read? Tricky one, spelled the same, but past tense sounds like read.
Right. Today, I read a blog. Yesterday, I read a novel. Same spelling, different sound.
Exactly. The key is practice. Don't fear mistakes. They're part of learning. Just try to share your story.
So, listeners, you can say, I woke up late. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I worked hard. I came home tired. See? Wake to woke, come to came, more irregulars.
Brilliant. Let's recap the irregular verbs we practiced. Go to went, eat to ate, see to saw, have to had, take to took, buy to bought, come to came, drink to drank, read, read. Sounds like read.
And for most other verbs, just add ed. Walked, talked, cooked, watched, played.
And never forget was and were for states and locations. I was tired. They were at the concert.
Sophie, this was so helpful. I feel more confident talking about my past experiences now.
Me too, Alex. And that's the goal, to help our listeners share their stories in English.
Before we go, a quick practice challenge for you listeners. In the comments below, tell us, what did you do last weekend? Keep it simple. I watched a movie. I visited family. I cooked a new recipe. We'd love to read your answers.
And please subscribe to Chat and Learn English so you never miss an episode. Share this with a friend who's learning English. Your support means everything.
Thank you for spending this time with us. It was a joy talking about the past together.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Keep practicing, keep sharing your stories. See you next time.
Goodbye for now.